Hello everyone, we will be resuming our classes tomorrow, Saturday the 28th and Sunday the 29th, starting at 8 o'clock in the morning and going until 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So I just want to give you some basic direction here. When you first log on to the website, you click on My Courses. You will see the old course that we were doing, older operating systems, module 3. It's been decided that it's best to leave that course for when we return to the school. It looks like we need more powerful computers, and we ran into a number of technical issues, so we're going to be leaving that. Instead, we're going to be doing time management, module 12. So tomorrow, when you log on to the website, click module 12, time management. That's a good fit for our situation. All you need is an internet connection and an email address. So we'll click on that. And let me switch to student view so we see the same thing. Okay, so just like before, you'll find all your work inside Learning Path. And at any point, if you have any questions or you want to have a discussion with me, send me an email and I'll meet you in the video conference room again. So let's click on Learning Path. There are going to be 2 learning paths for this course. It's a short course, Weekend 1 and Weekend 2. Tomorrow on Saturday morning when you log in, you have Weekend 1. You click on that. And the first thing you need to do is verify your attendance. So you'll see morning attendance, and then when you come back from lunch at 1 o'clock, it will be the afternoon attendance. So just simply click Start Test. It's not a test, it's just your attendance, and there's a timestamp that will verify that you are legally present, and it's just one word. You just need to indicate to me that you are present, and that's it. And that will verify that you're present for the morning class, and then you can begin completing all the work that will be listed in the Learning Path. Again, if you have any questions at all, please send me an email